Every tube begins far from the bathroom sink. Raw materials arrive unrefined and unforgiving. Here, nature meets force. Calcium locked-in structure is released by pressure. Even the air is controlled.
Only specific grades move forward.
The journey continues deeper inside. Bones aren't the only source of strength. Minerals are reduced to their essence. Abrasive balance is critical. Even freshness is engineered.
Flavor is extracted under heat.
Binding agents hold it all together. Nothing enters untreated. All components wait their turn.
Review these protocols carefully. Ensure all equipment is secured before operation.
Mistakes here carry consequences.
Timing defines efficiency. The process is set in motion. Once sealed, there is no turning back. Weight dictates caution. Transport carries invisible risks. Every mile matters. Stress tests begin long before production.
Access is controlled without exception.
Some materials travel by steel rails.
Others never see daylight again.
Pressure is carefully balanced.
Precision starts before entry. Contamination is the enemy. The core waits inside. Nothing enters unchecked. Movement is choreographed.
Release is imminent.
Gravity takes control. Liquids move silently, relentlessly. Now, the factory takes over. This is where scale becomes reality.
Every angle is watched.
Entry is earned, not assumed.
Human access is controlled. The factory breathes constantly.
Everything rises before it transforms. Warnings are not decorative.
Mistakes are anticipated.
There's no room for comfort.
Separation protects the process.
This is only the beginning.
Every route has a purpose. The ground itself demands respect.
Nothing moves without force.
Oversight never stops.
Next comes purification. From here, nothing remains raw. Purity is forced, not assumed. Rotation exposes every surface. Foreign objects are hunted. Size determines destiny.
Abrasives must be controlled.
Bone becomes chemistry. Balance is enforced. Failure is planned for.
Time does its work.
Nothing is wasted.
Tension keeps people alive.
Imperfections are erased. Decisions are mechanical. Contamination has its place.
Purity waits. Separation is survival.
The line is cleared.
Heat changes everything.
Bone-derived calcium becomes usable. Precision prevents disaster.
Excess must escape.
Texture is engineered.
Thickness defines performance.
Freshness enters the formula.
Consistency is enforced.
Air is a defect.
Risk is rehearsed.
There is no return.
Heat must be tamed.
Chemistry is watched constantly. Individual batches disappear.
The cost is human.
Stability takes time. Approval is deliberate.
The factory tightens its grip.
Every movement is calculated.
Accuracy leaves no margin for error. Heat and pressure lock in perfection. Anything less than perfect is rejected. Coordination happens in milliseconds. Even the air is engineered. Layers define quality. Invisible flaws are caught.
Speed requires control.
Orientation matters. Identity is applied mechanically.
Every seal is tested.
Perfection is verified relentlessly. Order emerges from chaos. Protection is applied rigorously. Balance is enforced.
Everything is elevated, literally.
Automation governs the flow, but humans still watch.
This is where errors meet consequence.
Human eyes catch what machines cannot.
Weakness is exposed here.
Exactness is non-negotiable.
Contamination is lethal to trust.
Every batch faces scrutiny. Danger is rehearsed continuously.
Weight reflects consistency.
Invisible flaws are unforgiving. Every seal guards the product. Human vigilance remains critical.
Composition is monitored until perfection.
Failure has no second chance.
Every decision carries weight.
Even the air is under watch.
Every batch leaves a trace.
Focus is mandatory.
Inspection ends. Preparation for dispatch begins. Order emerges from relentless precision. Protection is applied rigorously. Balance is enforced.
Order is the only safety.
Perfection must be verified until the last step.
Everything moves under human control.
Prepared for the journey ahead.
The factory finally breathes easier. Finished products leave the factory. Every detail preserved.
And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish.
Scale, precision, and human labor converge here.